everybody, welcome to my channel, Izzi OMG. Today we are going to be reading a story about Jane and Jake Run a Race by Jade Mental. So let's get started. Jane made a cape and a cap. Then she baked a cake and made a salad. She ate it all when Jake came over. Later, Dan, Jack, and Dane also came. Jane was happy to see her pals. Yippee! They sat by the lake and watched the waves. The wind blew a gale past the lane. Do you want to have a race? Jane asked Jake. Is it safe? Dan asked Dane. Yes, it is safe, but the wind will be blowing on your face. Hate this hat, Jake said. It will fly away in the sky to the moon. Get over there, Jane said, on that bale of hay. Jake looked pale, but he was a good pal. Came up to the lane and to the lake. Put his hat in a safe place. Ready, boop, set, boop, go! Boop! Dan and Dane waved their flags. Jake and Jane ran fast from the gate. There was no chance of being late. The friends kept a speedy pace. And both of them won. That was ace. The end. And I hope you enjoyed the story. Subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see you later. Bye.